Good morning. My name is Ram Mohammed. Let me take you through the most important step in your project implementation. That is the preparation to go live, cut over, going live, and ensuring that your system lands safely when you go live. So in Issulog, as with the previous demonstration I've done, there is a specific task for the go live. And task 130 covers the specific pre-cutover activities. So the go live is not just one step. There will be tasks you have to do before you plan to go live, the pre-cutover. There are specific cutover tasks that you need to do. There are cutover execution when you say we have switchover. And then you need to keep an eye on the system once you have gone live to monitor, correct, and there will always be some corrections to do, and then signing off. This is a formal process. So for now, I will start where the pre-cutover starts. And in this task, which is the envelope of the pre-cutover task, there, as usual, are participants who have been assigned to the task, description of the task, discussion that you need to do, and guide notes on what needs to happen. This guide note at this level here covers the entire go live process, although it is at this pre-cutover, because this is where you start. So let me click it and see what information it holds in there. This gives me an example plan of what you would anticipate when you go live. So there are obviously the pre-cutover. It takes an example of activities that you need to do before. It goes all the way through the supply chain activities to stop transactions, etc. from your old system, whatever system you're using. It is a template that you can adapt and reschedule for your own organization. But you are not going to use the template itself because this is mapped onto Issulog with a specific task in them. For simplicity, you can read the document to get an understanding of what needs to happen. This goes to the go live process and the post go live maintenance, correction, and looking at each of the modules involved all the way to signing off. It also gives you an example of what needs to happen during the change over for the go live. So I will go back to the go live processes and just show you what information there is so that you can drill down. So as with other activities, there is a dependent task, which is what you need to do for pre-cutover. And this will then have a sequence of issue tasks. And the sequence of issue tasks, which is different to other systems, it has clear checklists for you to ensure that these are done and ticked off. So all the planning will be done in this, and the briefing, etc. And if I take a specific process, you will see there are checklists to say as it's been done and who is actually involved in the process. And all the pre-cutover planning will be done in this task. The cutover task will be similar, and this one goes down to the individual transactional activities that you need to do, but it tells you what you need to do, and it ensures that you do it. Like master data freeze will be a checklist that you need to ensure has happened. You cannot keep preparing master data if you're actually changing over. You need to tidy your system. That Issulog gives you the clear checklist to ensure this task is completed during your go live process. For sales, for accounts payable, all the modules involved, whichever you are using, will have a model of how to go live. So once you change over, you will have also the transactional data to send over and to decide whether the go live is going to work. This is effectively making a decision that you are 100% ready to go, but it tells you the checklist that you have to do and verify. And once you, and this will have its own drill down as well. And once you have done that, when you have gone live, it will give you guidance on how to manage your post go live. Basically how to set up your hypercare to ensure that your issues are managed and corrected if there are any issues that come up in the various modules of your organization. And finally, it tells you to formally involve the various departments involved to sign off the process, and this is official signing off, lessons learned, and also how to improve the system continuously as you go forward. So in a nutshell, this is how Issulog takes you all the way through, lands you safely, and allows you to create a hypercare system that your system is maintained cost effectively and efficiently for your users going forward.